Hello everyone. Welcome to our first live English listening practice session on the English Hub channel. This channel was created for us to learn together and encourage each other in learning the language. This post was created and featured at A2 level, and soon we will all be better. Let's begin today's story. Have you ever met a stranger who changed your day? Today's story is about a simple bus ride that became something unforgettable. Stay with me. Part 1. Slow Listening. Ali is a university student. He lives in a big city. Every day, he takes the bus to school. He usually sits alone. He listens to music and looks out the window. He does not talk to people. He likes quiet mornings. Everything is the same every day. But one day, something changes. Part 2. The event. Ali gets on the bus. He finds a seat near the window. He puts on his headphones. The bus starts moving. At the next stop, a man gets on the bus. The man looks old. He walks slowly. Then he sits next to Ali. Ali feels a little uncomfortable. The man smiles. "Hello," he says. Ali is surprised. He does not usually talk to strangers, but he says, "Hello." Part 3. The conversation. The man looks at Ali. "Do you go to university?" he asks. Ali nods. "Yes," he says. The man smiles again. "That's good," he says. Ali looks at him. The man seems calm and kind. "Where do you study?" the man asks. Ali answers quietly. They continue talking. Slowly, Ali feels more relaxed. He takes off his headphones. He listens. For the first time, he enjoys the conversation. Part 4. The strange moment. After a few minutes, the man says something strange. "Today is an important day for you." Ali looks confused. "What do you mean?" he asks. The man smiles, but says nothing. Ali waits, but the man just looks out the window. The bus becomes quiet again. Ali feels something is different, something he cannot explain. Part 5. The disappearance. The bus stops. Ali looks at the door. People get off. Ali turns back, but the man is gone. His seat is empty. Ali looks around. He feels surprised. He looks behind him. He looks in front of him, but the man is not there. No one says anything. No one noticed him. Ali feels strange. Very strange. Part 6. The test. Ali arrives at university. He walks into class. He sits down. The teacher walks in. "Good morning," the teacher says. "Today, we have a surprise test." Ali's heart beats fast. He was not ready. He feels nervous. Then, he remembers the man. Today is an important day. Ali takes a deep breath. He focuses. He starts writing. Slowly, he feels better. He remembers more. He keeps going. He does his best. Part 7. The result. After the test, Ali feels tired, but he also feels proud. He did not give up. Later that day, the teacher calls his name. Ali. The teacher says, "Good job." Ali smiles. He feels happy, very happy. Ending. On his way home, Ali sits on the bus again. He looks at the empty seat next to him. He smiles. Maybe some strangers come into your life for a reason. Listening practice. Repeat. Repeat after me. I take the bus every day. I sit near the window. I feel nervous. Today is an important day. I will do my best.
Thank you for listening to this video. I hope you found it helpful. Repeat the sentences I told you. You might need them someday. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And for your information, I'm your new friend, Mohammed Hanafi.